been seeing a lot of people do like thrift flips and stuff like that, where they buy like a bunch of things from a thrift store, do like a haul, and then they'll like flip it and make it like it'll be ugly or something, and then they'll make it cute. I like that idea, except I can't go to a thrift store right now because it should be staying home. But we have a huge donate pile, and so I'm basically going to be finding some clothes in there. A lot of them are actually my mom's own clothes, like a mix of finding some clothes in the donate pile, and I'm also going to be taking some of my mom's own clothes that she doesn't really want, and I'm just going to flip them. And I think I'm actually going to end up doing 2 videos because I have 6 items picked out, but I kind of was thinking 3 and 3 because I've already filmed the video, but so I know how they all turned out. So I think I'm gonna end up doing another video. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the first one.
So for the first flip, I'm going to be using these really big old Levi's jeans that I found in my mom's clothes, and I thought because they were so big, they could make for cool high-waisted mom jeans.
Okay, so I flipped my jeans inside out so that I can take in the waist because it's very big.
So I'm just using this fabric chalk. You can also just use like markers or whatever, but I'm just marking where I want to take in the waist.
Where I drew the lines with the chalk, I just pinned, and it's okay if it's a little loose because I'll most likely be wearing this belt. So I'm just gonna go and sew along that line. Now it's sewed. I'm actually really shocked. I have like nice resized, really baggy jeans, but I am going to add checkers to the side so it has like a cool checkered pattern.
So to do the checkers, I just started out by taping off everywhere that I didn't want the checkers to be, so that I could be as messy as I wanted with the paint. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. Then I'm using this Tulip soft matte fabric paint, and I'm just painting in the squares. And then I could just peel the tape off, and then it would come with a nice pattern, which is somewhat clean.
Okay, it's the next day, and I just, as you saw, I peeled all the paint off. So now I have this, and I thought the tape part would be really satisfying, but it's actually annoying, so. It's fine though. Now it's time to do the other side, and I also think I need to do another stitch on the inside, like a zigzag stitch, because
my mom was very good at sewing,
and she said that for denim you have to do like a zigzag if you want it to stay, which makes sense because I crouched and then I ripped a hole in the butt where I sewed. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that so that doesn't happen, so they're actually wearable. And then I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll show you the final product with an example of how I would style it, because I think that's pretty fun. And then we'll move on to the next item. These are the final pants. I think they're really cool, and like how I made them high-waisted. I told you I was gonna do an outfit that I would wear with it. Black Converse, because that's obviously the best thing, and then pants. And then this belt, and the cool thing about this belt is that it actually has like a chain. It's from Brandy Melville. It's one of the few things that I actually have from them. I'm wearing it with this tube top. I don't know, I got off of Amazon somewhere. And I just like that it has the checkers, because checkers and checkers, and then it's denim jacket up. And then I think jewelry can be one of the most important parts, so I just have a bunch of cool rings that are like white and something can kind of go with the theme. And oh, I didn't even put earrings in, but I would have if I remembered. And then I have this cat necklace and chain thing. They're both from friends, so I think it's awesome, and I am kind of sad that it's summer, so I'm not really gonna be wearing jeans. And I also have a uniform for school, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear them, but when I can, yay! The next thing that I'm going to be flipping is this, I don't know, I got it at Kohl's. It's a road trip tee or something, I don't know, it's from the company Meabh. I actually wear this as a pajama shirt, but I have so many others like it. The first thing that I have to do to make the wrap shirt is mark where I want it to be cut. I'm gonna go lower because I can always make it shorter if I want to not make it longer.
there we go.
Now I can find where I made the cut, I don't know if you can see it right there. And then on the back side only, I'm just going to cut off that entire square, but only on the back side. Now I cut the back side off. I'm just going to cut a line straight down on the front side.
Never cut towards yourself.
Now I'm just going to cut off the neck. And that's all I have to do. So now I will show you what it's like on. For the wrap shirt, there are actually lots of things I would wear this with, but I just decided to pair it with these Under Armour sneakers. These skinny jeans are also from Meabh, which is the same company that the shirt was from. And then this top is thrifted. I just like collared over shirts. Here's the wrap shirt. For jewelry, I just decided to do rings, and I usually do have bracelets on, but
I just didn't feel like it.
and for earrings, I just decided to go with these owl earrings. I came in a set at like Rite Aid that I got for $6 or something. And I thought they were fun, colorful, and then this shell. I definitely do it with a thicker shirt, but it was really quick and easy to do, so I can just do it with as many t-shirts as I want. And I have way too many of those. Anyways, yeah, I really like this, and I can definitely do it again. These are the next jeans. I'm actually planning on making these shorts though. I only have 2 pairs of denim shorts, and one of them is a bit too short for my liking, so I'm gonna try and make these high-waisted denim shorts. Okay, so seriously, I turn the camera on and she just decides, I need to go that way. Okay, bye. Anyways, so to make these high-waisted, I'm just using these ones that I just did. They're my other flip, but I like how high-waisted they are, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to get a pair of jeans that is how high-waisted I want these ones to be. Line it up and kind of see how this is longer, right? So it's about my hand's length, I think. So I'm just gonna take this pen. I'm just gonna mark it.
Our hands different size.
So I just marked where I want the 2 legs to be connected. Instead of up there, I want it to be there. So, okay, I didn't actually film this part, but the next thing I did is I just drew lines down to where I marked from about like, I say that's about like halfway from where that meets this. And then I'm just going to cut the front, not the back yet. The back I will have to do different because it's gotta be the butt. Can you? Seriously, Pepper, I love you. Okay. Bye-bye now. Thank you.
Hi, Harvey.
Here's the other one now.
Hi, baby.
And now it's time for the other side. I think you do this and cut the rest off. Now I think I'm just supposed to flip them inside out and sew the hem, and then this just basically created a new end. Now it's high-waisted and not low-waisted. It's still weird around the waist, so I'm going to do what I did with the other jeans.
Which is just marking where I want to take in the waist, pinning it, then sewing it, but obviously doing this inside out, then it should fit.
So I just took in the waist. Interesting. But I hope it looks fine with the belt. I want to make them shorts. I'm actually going to mark where I want to cut them long. I can always make them shorter. I cannot make them longer.
And then I'm just going to cut off where, a bit under where I made the line.
This doesn't look great.
So I ripped the seam. I'm just gonna try and roll them. It's kind of weird because you can't see me. Hi, so I'm on my iPhone 6 now because my camera just ran out of memory on the memory card. I'll just show you the rest of me making the clothes on this, and then I will have another one for when I do the final try on.
So, because I did have to split the seam when I was rolling because the legs were tight, because I altered it so much, I just had to sew those together so that it would stay.
They fit really, like, I don't even want to show you the back. That's why I tucked it in the front and not the back. It doesn't fit well.
And it's tight around the legs.
I like that they're not too short. Anyways, I'm just wearing it with like a red t-shirt, the red Converse that kind of matched the shirt. Same jewelry, except I added a silver bracelet. Well, not the same actually. I don't know, it's just some rings. These are my favorite earrings ever. They're little carabiners. I don't know if you can tell. They're from Etsy. I don't know how I feel about this. For my next thrift flip, I want to do another one. I think I already told you guys that. But I want to do another pair of shorts that's jeans and make them high-waisted. Maybe I'll have another chance to make them better and look less awkward. So that was my thrift flip video. If you liked it, you should like this video. And in my hint, it's a certain type of video. It's my first time doing that type of video. And a lot of YouTubers have separate channels that they dedicate just to that type of video. So that's it, and you should subscribe for more and like the video and hit the notification. Yeah, okay. Bye.